Alright, so today on room check, we're by Best Western in Miami North Hotel. So we'll start with the bathroom, which is the first showcase of anything. Now for the bathroom, let me see. We have nice mirror here. We have this is the vent back on, light, good lighting. We have our cold, hot, and this here, good, nice. This is a macro of a drawer, so you can lay your stuffs down in. Decent enough space, not unusually big. And here now we have, this is something that I haven't seen in any of the hotels as yet, which is the citrus body wash, citrus shampoo, citrus condition. So you press this and you get it out. Very, very unique based on my travels. And we have our water here. Now as I look here, you see that this is not really 100% what I like, but I think maybe it work. Yeah, and here you hold this so that you don't slip and slide when you're going over and coming back. And here you have the mat. Now this is if you're a person who you don't want to slip and slide in the bathroom, then this goes in. And the shower curtains with a curve, so it's curved there. The modern type of shower I see is the one with the sliding door. That's the one I really love. Nevertheless, this is it. And here you have where you can hang your stuff, so it'll be the towel or the shirt and the pants. Let us come out now and we're going to the living room. Now we have our microwave. We have our drawer. Down here is a door for it. We have stuff you can put your things in, cup, coffee maker, and a mini refrigerator. Actually nothing is in there. And to my left is a wife. You can't come to any hotel without your wife.
It better be your wife.
Yes, better be my wife. Yes, so look here in the closet now. We see three. Well, it's now the one that I'm used to is the one when you're open the closet, the light comes on. This one seems to have it. No. And this is the bag. This is the bag now. If you want the hotel to wash your stuffs, this is the bag for it. And the mirror, full size mirror. If you want to see yourself when you finish. Now we have our couch with the light above it. Center table, light above it. Wife on the bed reading. I'm trying to search my phone right there. She uses her too. Television, and we have a drawer, chest of drawers. There we go. Nothing is in them. And our table, we can do some computer work. The lamp and the Best Western plus telephones if you want to call the operator, or you know, it says Best Western, it's Miami North Hotel and Suite. There it is. Now we have here our window. You can look outside and see who's looking in, or you can look out. Or AC. I'm not particularly a fan of these type of AC. It makes too much sound, makes too much noise, but it's good. Then we have here the side lamp again, and back to the bed. So we come back to the bed, and this is a queen side. It's a king. It's a queen, right? Look kingish.
I think it's a queen.
Yeah, it's a queen
Maybe
size
it's a
bed.
king.
Between a king and a queen. It's a royal bed. So it's either a king or a queen. Anyway, so this is the room check. So we have our carpet here. And so all in all, not bad. Not bad at all. We have a safety stuffs, the fire alarm, smoke detector, sprinkler, and that up there. So this is me again from another episode of Room Check. So let me know what you think. I am out.